Hi science students, today we are going to finish up this rock cycle book. So where you will begin today, if you are on schedule with the finishing of this book, you will start with sediment. Okay, because remember today we want to be done with this project. So you're starting with sediment. You will have this paper in front of you and we are going to write the definition of sediment and 2 facts. So you probably remember that we have this right here that we've been working with. You should have yours underlined. You should have yours highlighted. And we are going to be writing the definition directly from that definition sheet. So here we go. Feel free at any time to stop my video so you can copy what you need to copy. So with your pencil, write down definition. Put a colon, those are those 2 dots, and let's look at our notes and type out the definition. You will be writing it, I will be typing it. Sediment is broken down particles of dust, dirt, dust and dirt produced by weathering and erosion. Okay, so come down and write down fact 1 with a colon. And if you need to pause this, write down the definition of sediment, write that as well, or pause as well, so you can write that down. We're going on to fact 1, which means we will go back to our sheet of sediment. It says weathering is the loosening of particles within rock and erosion is the movement of those particles. That is a fact. Okay? Sediment is usually found at the bottom of bodies of water, such as lakes, oceans, rivers, and at the bottom of waterfalls. Those are facts. Okay? Let's make those shorter, though, because we don't have very much room to write. So let's go back to our paper. Fact 1. Let's do this. Weathering. Oh, I didn't mean to do all caps. Write this down. Weathering is the loosening of particles within a rock. I'm going to put that right under the first line. And then fact 2. Okay. Fact 2. Go back to your sheet. You will see that erosion is the movement of particles. Okay. Hit pause. Make sure you have this completed because we will be moving on to sedimentary rock. Find your paper for sedimentary rock. Here it is. Looks kind of familiar. We will be writing the definition and 2 facts. So we're going to go on our papers and look at sedimentary rock, which you should have the definition underlined. It's the first sentence that says, sedimentary rocks are formed by sediment that is deposited over millions of years, usually as layers, at the bottom of lakes and oceans. So let's make that a little bit shorter because we have struggled with keeping our definitions written so they fit our lines. We'll write the word definition. And here's our definition for sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks are rocks, that are formed by sediment over millions of years in layers at the bottom of lakes and oceans. You know what? We're going to go in here and put lakes/oceans to keep it cleaned up. So lakes or oceans, or lakes and oceans is what that slash means. Oh my goodness. Move that over a bit. It's not working out well for me. Period. Okay, there's your definition. Next is our fact. Fact 1. So if you look at your sheet for sedimentary rocks, there's a fact on there that says sedimentary rocks contain plant and animal fossils. Let's write that down. Sedimentary rocks contain plant and animal fossils. Period. That's fact 1. Fact 2 is, sedimentary rock covers most of the earth. Sedimentary rock covers most of the earth. Okay, hit pause. Make sure you get this correct. Make sure it's done neatly. Do not traumatize me by any weird handwriting. Do the best you can. Okay, we're going to move on. Here it comes. Metamorphic rock. There she is, Miss Metamorphic rock. We are going to write the definition. Okay, so on your fact sheet, your facts and definitions, metamorphic rock. This picture should look really familiar. You have your first sentence as the definition, and everything else is facts. So let's get this done. Here we go. We're going to write our definition, our word definition. And here it is. Metamorphic rocks are formed by pressure deep under the Earth's, I'm messing that up, surface. Next is fact 1. Go ahead and type that in, or excuse me, write that in. Fact 1, we have tons of facts that we could choose for metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks are brought to the surface of Earth by volcanic eruptions. Okay. Hit pause at any time to get that done and write fact 2. Fact 2. When mountains erode, and we all know what erode means. Make sure I spell mountains right. When mountains erode, metamorphic rock is exposed. Which all that means is that over millions of years, as these rocks wear away on tops of mountains, you get down to the fancy metamorphic rock. Okay, that might be marble. It can look many different ways. It could look similar to this picture right here. You see all these beautiful layers. It's actually marble. That's what that means. Metamorphic rock, when mountains erode, metamorphic rock is exposed. So basically exposed is another word for shown or revealed. Okay? Make sure you guys hit pause and get this right. You should have this exactly as it is on my screen now. After you've finished this, it is time to color your rocks in. You will color this one. You will color this one. And the sediment if you have not done so already. Everything else at this point should already have color. So this is how you will get your pages complete. And we will be placing these in a book format, and I will show you how to do that probably after break. Alright guys, see you, bye.